In this video, I'm discussing how OpenAI's development of ChatGPT can help you make money through dropshipping e-commerce. With ChatGPT, you can create product descriptions tailored to your desired niche or demographic, come up with new product ideas for a specific niche, get information on your target audience, and even reword competitors' product descriptions to make them unique to your store. With the help of ChatGPT, making money through dropshipping just got a whole lot easier. Now, here are the step-by-step guide to using AI for dropshipping. Research your niche or demographic. Before you start setting up your dropshipping business, it's important to decide on what you want to sell and who your target audience is. This will help you make informed decisions about the products you want to sell. Start by researching your niche or demographic and consider what types of products would be of interest to your target audience. Look for common trends, interests, and needs, and use this information to determine what types of products would be suitable for dropshipping. Find a competitor store. Once you have decided on your niche, it's time to find a competitor store that you admire. This store should be selling similar products to what you have in mind and should have a good reputation and a successful track record. Take note of the products they sell and their product descriptions, as these will serve as a template for your own product descriptions. Copy and paste the product description. To elaborate on the copy and paste the product description step, follow these instructions. Open your competitor store in your web browser. Choose a product that you would like to sell and navigate to its product page. Select the product description text and right-click to copy it. Open ChatGPT in a new tab or window in your web browser. Paste the copied product description text into the ChatGPT input field. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the description. Ask ChatGPT to reword the product description that you have copied and pasted so that it is unique and tailored to your desired niche or demographic. ChatGPT will use its advanced language processing capabilities to generate a new original description that is still accurate and informative. You can then use the rewritten description as a starting point to create your own unique product description. Get ideas for products. If you're not sure what products to sell in your niche, you can ask ChatGPT to give you some product ideas. To get product ideas from ChatGPT, you can follow these steps. Open a chat window with ChatGPT and provide it with information about your niche or demographic, such as the target audience, their interests and hobbies, and any related keywords. Ask ChatGPT to generate a list of product ideas that are relevant to your niche or demographic. You can phrase your request as, can you suggest some products that would be popular in insert niche or demographic? ChatGPT will use its extensive database and machine learning algorithms to generate a list of product ideas based on the information you provided. Review the product ideas generated by ChatGPT and select the ones that you think would be most successful in your niche. By using ChatGPT to get product ideas, you can save time and effort compared to traditional research methods. Check availability on AliExpress. Once you have some product ideas from ChatGPT, you can use these to search for products on AliExpress. Check to see if these products are available for dropshipping, and make sure to select products that have good ratings, reviews, and seller feedback. Create product descriptions. To create product descriptions using ChatGPT, follow these steps. Input the product information. Provide ChatGPT with information about the product you are selling, including the product name and specifications. Specify the target audience. Tell ChatGPT about your target audience, including their age, gender, interests, and buying habits. Request a description. Ask ChatGPT to generate a product description based on the information you have provided. Review and edit. Once ChatGPT has generated the description, review it carefully to ensure that it accurately reflects the product and appeals to your target audience. Finalize the description. When you are satisfied with the description, copy and paste it into your dropshipping store. Make sure to double-check for any typos or errors before finalizing. Start selling. Once you have created your product descriptions and done your research, it's time to set up your dropshipping store and start selling your products. By using ChatGPT, you can streamline the process of starting a dropshipping business and make it easier to generate online income. Additionally, it's important to keep learning and staying up to date with the latest tools and strategies for dropshipping. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.